Hello and welcome. Today we'll be showing how to integrate Excel-based calculations into no-code platforms using Spreadsheet Web API, with a focus on database. Before diving into the platform configuration, let's take a quick look at our sample Excel file. This is a shipping calculator spreadsheet that includes various data tables and complex formulas across multiple sheets. However, we will only be focusing on the input sheet, where we define our input and output cells. The sheet requires three inputs: origination zip, destination zip, and weight. These inputs are used to calculate the shipping cost. Each input and output value are assigned a named range, which will be key in the integration process. Next, we will publish this Excel file as an API on Spreadsheet Web. For simplicity, we will select Anonymous Access, though for enhanced security, you can choose the Require Authorization Access type. Once the API is published, make sure to record the Workspace ID and Application ID. Next, we proceed to the database platform. First, we need to create a data table to store our input and output values. In the left panel, navigate to the Data Table section and create a new table. Add columns that correspond to the input and output values from the spreadsheet. Once the table is ready, we will configure the API. Navigate to the Pipeline tab on the left menu and create a custom pipe. You may assign it a name and description of your choosing. The API call will be a POST request, and you will need to enter the API endpoint. For authorization, you can either use the bearer token provided by Spreadsheet Web or configure it for anonymous access by disabling the token requirement. In this example, we are using anonymous access. Be sure to include content type application JSON in the header. For the request body, input your JSON structure, including the app ID and workspace ID obtained earlier. Test the API with sample data to verify functionality. Once you receive a response, map the outputs to your data table. Next, in the page builder, create a form and link it to the data table. Add fields for the input and output values and include a trigger pipe button. Connect this button to the pipe that was just configured. Finally, set up a record rule to update the cost output field based on the API response. Now we can test the application in preview mode. Enter zip code and weight, and press the button. Upon pressing the button, API request is sent to Spreadsheet Web with inputs. Spreadsheet Web returns the calculated weight value that is displayed here. Change the weight and press the button again. Recalculated cost value is updated. After testing, you will find that the record is saved correctly. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit spreadsheetweb.com or help.spreadsheetweb.com and feel free to reach out. See you next time.